What happens if I drop two eggs into the water at the same time? One sinks and one floats. Hello everyone, we are back with another experiment on density. Let's see what's gonna happen this time. Sinking, floating, suspension. In this experiment, we are using salt, egg, and 2 glasses filled with tap water. First, drop 1 egg into the tap water. It sinks straight to the bottom. Now, start adding salt to the second glass and stir it well. Keep adding more salt and mixing until no more salt dissolves. Now drop both eggs at the same time. One sinks to the bottom and the other floats perfectly on top. That's because salt water is denser than tap water. It can hold the egg up. The denser the liquid, the easier it can lift objects. Now let's mix the salt water with tap water. Watch closely. The egg doesn't sink and it doesn't float. It stays suspended right in the middle. That's the power of density. Even a simple egg can show amazing physics. Subscribe for more cool science experiments. Have a dumb day.